To submit your return, click on the Calculate for the VAT period you wish to submit. When completing your VAT return, you can use either the bridging feature, which allows you to populate your VAT return using your own spreadsheet, or allow the app to automatically populate the VAT boxes using the app invoice and expense features. For the purpose of this video, we're going to use the bridging feature to submit our VAT return. To do this, you first need to download the bridging template by clicking the download button. Once downloaded, click on the spreadsheet. This will open the VAT data input template. Copy the worksheet and open your own spreadsheet with your business VAT transactions as follows. Insert a new worksheet. Make sure you call the worksheet Summary, and also make sure it's the first worksheet in the spreadsheet. Once this is done, copy and paste the template. Finally, you just need to fill in the box numbers on the worksheet. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to complete box 1 and box 6 with our sales income. Once done, you can save the spreadsheet. Now go back to the app and click on the plus button to upload your completed template. You should now see the VAT boxes completed. If they all look correct, you just need to click on the declaration checkbox, followed by the finalise process. The submission is now complete. Thank you for watching the video.